Door openings are a little bit more challenging to create in walls made by elevation, but it's nothing that we can't handle. We'll treat the door opening just like a window at first. Sketch the spline on the outer surface of the wall, and obviously the door opening begins at the base of the wall, but the auto grid tripod orients into plan when you're down here. You need the spline to be in the same orientation as the wall in elevation, so sketch your door opening as if it was a window at first. Let's give it a specific size over here. I'll make it 6'10" by 2'6". I'll go ahead and attach it to the wall as if it was a window. I'll go to the spline level and move it down. As I do that, you'll see the problem. Right as I get to the ground, the opening fills in. This happens because of the way that subsplines create openings or islands. When a subspline is completely inside of another one, it automatically makes an island or hole in the spline. When it's right on the edge, it does not create a hole. So let's do this exactly. I'll turn on 3D Snap, and I will move this subspline over to the corner so I know that it's on the ground. Then I'll turn off Snap and move it over. So let's just assume that this is where we want the door opening to be. I'll toggle off the end result so that we can concentrate on the splines. Go to the segment level and select the lower segment of the door opening and delete it. Then go to the spline level and use Trim to cut away the lower edge. Now I'll toggle on the end result for a moment and you'll see that we have a problem. The wall doesn't seem to extrude properly. This happens because of the duplicate vertices that were made by trimming. I'll go to the vertex level and select these vertices at the bottom. You'll find that you'll have duplicates. We have 4 vertices here where there should be only 2. I'll right click and choose Weld. The opening is now complete. And we have the same kind of control over it that we do over the windows now. I can go to the segment level, select the segments, and move them. I can change the width of the opening by selecting just one segment and pulling it over.